Hello guys, if there's one thing that you should be doing, that should be chasing your dreams. And that is why I'm here to bring you useful information. The DAAD EPOS scholarship is a fully funded scholarship which I currently enjoy in Germany. It covers all costs, including your flight ticket to Germany. So I have a bonus package for those who really want to get a scholarship, and this bonus package could really help you to get the scholarship. Just stick around a little while. Yeah, welcome back. Before we continue, why not just click on the subscription button, right? Just click on the button, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, thank you for doing that. I really appreciate you for clicking on the subscribe button. So in this video, we are going to talk about the benefits of the DAAD scholarship. We are going to talk about the step-by-step application procedure, the requirements. But before we continue, let's take a look at the bonus package that I have for you. Okay, currently I run a scholarship mentorship program, which is definitely paid, but this is the bonus. You get an award-winning letter of purpose, which is the most important document in the scholarship. You get free mentorship, and you also get a one-on-one interaction with me. I just want to see you succeed and pursue your dreams, but you have to do this. Like this video and subscribe, and you will get bonus 1. Invite 2 of your friends to subscribe to this channel, and you get bonus 2 and 3. Everything. Think your friends deserve to get this bonus and information. So all you need to do is take a screenshot and send to the Telegram group in the description. Definitely, this bonus package is limited. However, if you do not discover this video on time, you can still fulfill the requirement. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Take a screenshot and send to the Telegram group in the description. Definitely, I will still have something for you. I have kept a link to the DAAD scholarship in the description, so check it out. Okay, let's dive into the business of the day. First, let's take a look at the benefits of the scholarship. You get a monthly allowance of €861. You don't have to pay tuition fee. You get your flight ticket paid to and fro. You also get research subsidy. You also get a travel subsidy, health insurance, and also your German course fee is paid. So what are the requirements? You must come from a developing country. You must have at least 2 years of working experience, and you must have graduated not longer than 6 years ago. Interesting, right? So if you meet those requirements, let's take a look at the step-by-step application procedure. So this is a PDF file containing all the postgraduate related courses that you can apply to for the scholarship. So you have some few PhD courses also, and most of them are MSc courses. They are all taught in English, except some which are taught, just a few which are taught in German. So we have different type of courses ranging from economics, engineering and related sciences. We also have mathematics, urban regional planning, agricultural courses, as well as natural science courses. We also have medicine and public health courses, and social science courses, education law, as well as media studies. Okay, so application to these different institutions quite similar. All you need to do is send just one application for both the admission and scholarship, so you don't need to send 2 applications. So they are quite similar. It's either you're sending the hard copies to the school directly of all your documents, or you are applying through a portal, or you are sending the documents as an email to the school. So I'm just going to use one of the school here to give an example. So I'm going to be using this course here, International Studies in Aquatic Tropical Ecology, which is in the University of Bremen where I study. So you just have to click on it. Okay, so here we are. The first thing you want to do in this particular page, we are going to switch to English, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, it is very important that you read through
the pages and get all the information that you're supposed to get before you start your application. For this purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and click on application and admission. That takes us to this page. If you are applying without a scholarship, you can look at this, but application including DAAD scholarship. So this is what we are concerned with. So the deadline is on the 15th of October and application starts on the 10th of August. So I'm going to click on more. Okay, so for this school, they use an application portal, so you submit your documents on the application portal. But before we look at that, let's quickly take a look at the required documents. You have the letter of motivation, which is very important, the CV, and the certificate of English proficiency. Well, for this you might not need the TOEFL and the IELTS. You can also use an English proficiency certificate from your school, your university. If your first degree was done in English, that is also acceptable. You just have to bring in the certificate of English proficiency from the school. So you need your BSc certificate and letter of reference from some professors or doctors, and certificate of employment because you need 2 years of employment, and also you need the letter of recommendation from your current employer, as well as the DAAD form. This is very important. This is practically the scholarship application form. So you have to fill in this form and also send it along with every other document for your admission. Let's quickly take a look at this form. Okay, so it's quite simple. You just read through, it's easy to understand. You just fill in the form and at the end of the day you sign it. But most importantly, if you are applying to more than one university, because you can actually apply to up to 3, then you have to fill them in according to priority into this part. Okay, and also if you're applying to 3 universities, you just have to use 1 letter of motivation. You don't have to use 3 letters of motivation, but you put everything in 1 letter of motivation and state why you are applying to those 3 courses and the priority, why you have prioritized a particular course to the other. So we are back here. Let's quickly take a look at the online application procedure. Quite easy, and it's done using this portal. So I'm just going to click on it just to take a look at it. It's just like every other portal. You have to sign up and then click on the online application. So it takes you to the portal. Go to application and then you create an account. So you just have to create an account and upload your documents, and then you are done. After application, do make sure you keep the copies of all the documents that you have used, and because you're going to need them if you gain the admission.
On a final note, before you apply with your transcript and certificate, you have to get them certified. To do this, just take them to a court and get them stamped. Hey guys, so thank you for watching, and I hope you benefited, and I really want to see you apply to the scholarship. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.